check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
There are 3 irritating things that happen when Sriman Kotaru vlogs. First thing, whenever I start vlogging and go out, there'll be a flight over me, disturbing my vlog. Second irritating thing is, whenever I take my bike out and go, it'll start raining heavily. I don't know what happened, but Hyderabad, it started raining since the last 3 or 4 days, especially in the evening after 4 o'clock. It becomes very dark. It becomes like Game of Thrones scene. And then all of a sudden, there is a tufan, like proper tufan. That too, it is so weird because this happens in May, like mid-summer. Chalo, abhi bike I can't take and go because it's raining. Let's take the car and go. But what happens is, even in the lockdown time, there'll be a lot of traffic, a next level of traffic. There is someone somewhere in the parallel universe trying to irritate me. Oh, by the way, my previous vlog is uploading. Sorry, not uploading, it is rendering right now and it is taking a lot of time, dude. Why? Oh, okay, it is 19 minutes of a vlog. Some people like long vlogs, some people request for a small vlog. When it comes to the creator's mind, it is not about how long the video should be, but it depends on the kind of content we have that particular day. I don't try to pull the vlog too long. I don't want to wantonly cut short it. It depends on the storyline that day. Anyways, 85% done. And then I'll have to upload this and then hit publish. Hopefully by 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock, I'm trying to upload. Yeah, people are saying, Sriman, you're missing your time of 9:30 a.m. I don't want to restrict myself and post exact. I wanted to do that actually. I wanted to follow a nice schedule so that keeps me in track. But then it depends, sometimes I have other work as well. So depending on that, sometimes vlogs come out late. See, that is the reason you people, even if you have subscribed, hit the bell icon so that you get the notifications whenever I upload in a day. Then it doesn't matter if it's 9:30 a.m. or if it is 9:30 p.m. Usually I don't do that. Beyond 6 o'clock max, maybe 7 o'clock. Beyond that, I don't like to publish. Or maybe I can do one thing. I can maybe put a story on Instagram in case you're not following on Instagram. Better you do that as well. Anyways, chalo, rendering ho gaya. I'll upload this vlog now. And one more thing. Let me show you this. Taking delivery of my brand new BMW GSA 1250. Sorry, GS Adventure. I asked for 20,000 likes in the end of this vlog, but you people gave me next level 35,000 likes. I'm blessed. Thank you so much for that. We'll have some important work now. Let's get out. I have to carry a couple of things. Lighting. Our hall is really dark in the afternoon because our house is completely surrounded with other houses. When we got this house first, like almost 20 years back, not 20, I think 17 or 18 years back, it was completely empty. All the sides we had full on lighting, but abhi pura gara gaya all sides, so it's become dark. Forgot to say what I was actually about to say. I have to take 2 important things and give it to my friend back. He gave me some things post-COVID for my good recovery, for the family's good recovery. Thank you, buddy, so much for all this. I appreciate it from my heart. Abhi, I can close it. Actually, A7 S3 we don't have much of a problem even in low light. You see, this much of light is more than enough to lit me up like this, isn't it? These are a lot of fruits that he sent me. Tarbuja, tarbuja. Basically watermelon and sweet melon. He sent like so many. Abhi khatam ho gaya. I'll have to return this cart. Oops, I forgot to do one thing. I need to move the car, which means I have to remove this beast. And soon I'm planning to get the shed done there so that I can put the car or maybe all the bikes under that and we'll have easy access to the car. Otherwise, yeah, I'll have to park the bike here all the time. Already parked the Tiger there. Streetun is lying under the trees a little bit okay, but Varna is so exposed to proper sun. Abhi to, like I told you, the moment it's around 3:30, 4 o'clock, it's getting cloudy like this and then it starts raining heavily. That is the reason we're taking the car and going. Now I'll definitely hate it if I take the car out and it doesn't rain. It will definitely happen. Whatever Sriman says, uska opposite will pakka happen. Abhi to let me move the bike and take out the car. Man, it looks so huge, especially in proper lighting. You are truly a beast. Looks like it's gonna definitely properly rain. Full paisa vasool taking the car out. Good thing I did not take the bike. I hate it when it rains. I know biker bole to you have to like everything. No, I'm not like that. It's okay if I'm not a biker, doesn't matter. I don't like riding in monsoons unless I unfortunately get stuck in it. That I can't help, but otherwise I prefer winter rides. Summer rides bhi kabhi kabhi it's okay.
How many of them do you have Sundar in stock?
See, right now I've got only 2.
Oh, perfect.
I had 3 since morning, but record this.
It fits all the bikes.
Yeah.
Even GSA.
Yes.
If it fits the GSA, I think it should fit pretty much every bike on the planet. Can you just put it on that?
It'll fit your.
I really like this. You know what? This is the first time ever a BMW product is cheaper than a third party.
How is it cheaper?
TPH is 15,000, bro.
EPH is like different. They're like
But the quality is also much better, that one. It's like rubber.
I wish they had given
This is nice,
double
but-
stitching for the
Material, but not some.
Actually, for now, I'm using the Benelli's cover for my Tiger, which fits properly. Problem is that doesn't fit the
Put the
GS
Tiger cover
Adventure
for your
now.
GS.
Tiger cover, I put it for the GSA.
Okay.
It doesn't fit. It covers only the windshield
Only the front part. Yeah.
and the tank.
Yeah.
ये पूरा it is like not covered. So I think it's a good buy. Chaitanya, this is exactly double of yours. R90 ka R18. 9 plus 9.
Hey, mine is 90, right? It's 1/5 my bike.
That's not 90, bro. It is 90. T for Tiger and Japan. By the way, we're getting a surprise small gift from
You guys still don't know
BMW.
exactly why it's called R90? I
The
think,
deep, I've never thought about
I
it.
think they launched it to celebrate 90 years of BMW Motorrad, if I'm not wrong.
Seriously?
I think so, Vilas Sundar. That's why
We
it
are in
was
the
actually...
BMW showroom. We'll ask
No,
BMW
it's
people.
supposed to signify 90, but they wrote 90.
90.
actually
That means my
supposed to be
subscribers are correct then.
Your subscribers are always correct.
My subscribers are always correct.
Some
90 is
folks are
correct,
in-
it seems. Arey, this one. I like this. It is not for sale, but I think we can buy this.
It's not for sale.
It is. But once I asked how much is this, they told me it's around 5,000 rupees or something.
These are the Lego Technique things, right? Thank you.
And that's supposed to be my gift from BMW. It's a gift you should give me like what go? Now the address please. So open it.
Yeah, why don't you open it?
What is this actually?
Oh, thank you. R90.
Bro,
Yeah.
I have a classic, you know that? Okay, Chaitanya బయటకు పిలిస్తే హీస్ లైక్ ఏ బైక్ మీద రా, ఏ బైక్ కాదు, బైక్ మీద వస్తా. వర్షం పడుతుందా, తుఫాన్ వస్తుందా, పర్లేదు, వాళ్ళకి కమ్మ బైక్ ఓన్లీ. చైతన్య బిఎండబ్ల్యూకి వెళ్ళి కవర్ నేను బైక్ మీద వస్తున్నా.
Cover I can squeeze into a backpack. We had other stuff to carry today. When
We could
talked
do
about
that.
other
Only thing is I was worried about the
Yeah.
weather, especially when I get a bike.
Right.
Okay, it will rain.
Those two people who are arguing so much.
Sharan, you know what? BMW gave me a gift.
What bike?
Clickbait bonding, not that. BMW gave me
Bill?
and not bill. They gave me a gift, bro. No paise in that. I don't need to do any kacha.
Video తీయాలిగా ఖర్చేగా.
No, they gave me a leather jacket, a pure BMW Motorrad leather jacket
Nice German leather.
for free.
Why? Why BMW? Why? Really talk about it even if you don't give.
As a good gesture, they gave me a good jacket, a leather jacket. Chaitanya loved it. Actually, it fits him well. It fits me also well. It is meant for R90.
He has so many great leather jackets available from Triumph for his street print. Right? And it says BMW on the jacket. I'm the only guy who has a BMW Classic. And he didn't give me a birthday gift. So, logically, he can give me a free gift.
మీరిద్దరు కొట్టుకోకండి, నాకు ఇవ్వండి. ఇక్కడ రా.
It is L. You need XL. I'll show you the jacket in the next vlog. By the way, Triumph also has very good jackets, leather jackets.
గ్లౌజ్ చూస్తుంటే BMW మీద ట్రయంఫ్ గ్లౌజ్ అంటే పర్లేదు అన్నాడు కదా.
నేనే అన్నారా పాపం పూమా మీద నైకీ షూస్ వేసుకోవచ్చని. By the way, we have new shoes.
జాకెట్ ఉంది.
Oh, you like them?
I love them. I love any shoes, bro.
Renault's choice.
Nike. I wear
Renault's
Nike.
gift. Renault and Meghna's gift.
By the way, I forgot to wish you, bro. Happy birthday, Chaitanya.
Gifted.
Welcome to the 40s.
Gifted.
Unknowingly, yesterday I treated you. You should treat us.
Treat.
See, for what? You count with money? You should feel a happiness there in that moment.
Why won't you give me the BMW jacket?
Because I love it, bro, and it is gifted to me by someone. Gifts are not meant to be given to someone.
BMW, Ducati, BMW.
I wanted to ride this Scrambler once.
Helmet unte.
Helmet, yeah, that is the thing. We'll do it in the next vlog.
Okay.
Proper ride review of the Ducati Scrambler. How do you like it?
9 out of 10.
9. What is the best thing you like about it?
Flickable.
Oh, it is like a proper janky bike. Oh, number one I like is the exhaust note.
Yeah, I wanted to say that, but people are like, you bought it for exhaust note or not?
Yes, why not? Tappeyam. You bought it for the exhaust note. You know what I don't like?
Hey, actually nice.
Too basic.
It is unique.
Koncham 2021 it should have colors, TFT display.
You can
Little bit.
You can do everything on that.
Our Triumph Trident has. Phone. You can change the exhaust as well, right?
I don't feel the exhaust while riding it.
Hey. Hey.
So busy, super busy. Seriously, what are you watching, dude? What stupid TikTok videos? I gave you proper educational games, no? There is a solution for this. You can put YouTube Kids. I'll install that for you, wait. There's a separate app completely for kids. It's called YouTube Kids. Yeah, we should install that and delete YouTube app. But I'm not sure if we can delete a YouTube app. Because whenever she finds that icon, she'll definitely hit on it. And watch all stupid TikTok videos. Basically, YouTube Shorts.
This is my new gift from BMW Motorrad India, and this is what I bought.
This is the cover for the Monster. No, that is not the name for my bike. I'm going to name it later. When I go for the ride, then I understand, then I get a feel, and then I'll name it. I still did not get the name because I just finished 72 kilometers only on the bike. I hope this fits the GSA. I think it should fit. One size for all motorcycles, so I think that should fit. Anyways, I hope you guys have enjoyed this vlog. In case you did, you guys know what to do. Hit the like button, do share, do comment, do subscribe, and do not forget to also follow me on Instagram, because I think I'm gonna post updates there as well about the video uploads, because like I told you, my uploads these days are like very erratic. I upload in the morning sometimes in the evening, sometimes afternoon. So I think follow me on Instagram. See you guys in the next vlog.
It sound right, boy.